Yeah, Monday, September 11th. That's noisy. Got my drain pipes, the excavation done for those. It got them set. What I did was with the Saccrete 3/4 crushed, made a bed, then put in the first layer of landscape cloth, and then put in a little bit of the drainage gravel, set the drain pipe, and put in the rest of the drainage gravel. So where you see this 1.5 inch gravel, that's the drainage gravel. And the next step is put on another layer of landscape cloth. And then it's pretty much sealed from silt, so I shouldn't get silt intrusion into my drain pipes. That always plugs them up. So each drain area is wrapped in landscape cloth. I've got the bed of 3/4 crush. I've got another layer of landscape cloth. Then I've got the drainage gravel, and on top of that I have another layer of landscape cloth. If there's a better way of doing it, I don't know what it is. 14 bags of the drainage gravel, that's 700 pounds. About 400 pounds of the 3/4 crushed. Yeah, I gotta go inside. That sun's pretty intense today. So once I put on this last layer of landscape cloth, that portion's done. Then I start gluing on the second course of block. Might do some minor work with more of the 3/4 crush, probably around the drain openings going through the wall. I was going to mortar them in, and then it occurred to me sooner or later they'll fill up with topsoil or silt and seal themselves, so I'll save a step there. I still have to run extensions on all 7 to get them past the fence towards the street. You go about 1 inch past the fence, through the fence, to get past it, which that's nothing. It's a bunch of couplings, and each piece of 1.25 inch drain to do that will be of a different length, but it's coming. Just a lot of work. You know, the digging wasn't terrible, but there's just a lot of it. Moving and setting 700 pounds of drain stone wasn't terrible, just a lot of it. Then of course laying the landscape cloth, I'm on my knees. It's a little hard on my back, but one more course of that and I'm done. I got the anchor pins already. Just anchoring in, and I'm ready for the next step, which is gluing on the south block. Go up approximately 3 to 4 more courses. And then I got to step the wall on the east end going north and the west end going north. That's going to be time consuming, but I get it done. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.